So now to enable auto mount of APFS partition after every restart, what you need to do is just launch these commands one by one, these 3 of 1, and into the terminal. But first of all, let us just check it, the partition that we had dev sdb2 198.5 GB unknown type. This was our APFS partition and the username was BoostUpStation. So make sure you fill in your username here and the partition location in here. Alright, it is right here. You need to plug in this in here, and let us just copy and paste these commands into the terminal one by one and press enter. And I have already created this file, so don't worry, in your case it will successfully run. Alright, after that you need to edit the fstab file so as to make it auto mount after restart. And in this file just press enter 2 times and copy this last command, drag and drop it, and Ctrl S to save, or you can just click in here. Now the file has been successfully saved. Just close it from here, and after restart, to unmount the partition you can use this command. Let us just restart the system right now. Click on restart. So after a successful restart, you can go to this location and will find the macOS partition automatically mounted. Let us browse to that location in the root directory, and in the media folder it's a BoostUpStation, the username, and it is the macOS. And go to the root directory and we have all the files in here. Let me just show you by opening one of them. There it is. So this way you can just browse the APFS partition in your Linux operating system, and there is only a read support for APFS partition in Linux right now. You can copy it anywhere. We have copied this file to the desktop, so just go to the desktop and here you can see the file. You can just copy the files from your APFS partition, and to unmount the partition you can use this command into the terminal, drag and drop this command, last one, and press enter. Now it will ask for your user password, just enter it and press enter again, and now the APFS partition has been successfully unmounted. Here you can see it, there's nothing, but it will automatically mount again after a successful restart. Alright?
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.